We're able in under how many minutes? 3 minutes. We're able to get the victim username and password. Yo, what's up guys, ZoeCyber here. Today we want to see how easy it is to create a phishing site. But if you don't know what a phishing site is a fraudulent website designed to look like a legitimate one to trick you into providing sensitive information like your password, your financial account detail, etc. Right? So guys, remember this video is for educational purpose. I'm only doing this so that we can understand how easy it is to create a phishing site and how to protect ourselves against it. Right? So let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're going to be using something called ZFisher. So it's a tool used to create phishing pages. So we can look for ZFisher, then we go over to the GitHub. Right, that's it here. So there are a lot of tools too that we can use, but we're going to just be using ZFisher for today's video. Right, we're going to use ZFisher for today's video. So this is their GitHub page. This is their GitHub page. You can see. So this is a legitimate GitHub page. Right. So basically let's get the URL. Yeah, let's get the URL. So we get it, then we open our terminal, then I'm going to just git clone it. Right, git clone it onto my machine. As you can see, I already have it. Right, so cd ZFisher, let's get into the directory. Right, so we're going to be running the bash file, so we can start ZFisher. Okay, let's wait for it and run. So let's let me increase it so we can see it better. Okay, so you can see these are the sites. Right, you can see the sites here. So let's use Google. Right, let's use Google. Yeah, so we'll use number 2. Okay, so no, we just want it nice and simple, right? So just we're doing this because of testing purpose. So remember guys, like I said, it's for educational purpose. Don't go around creating phishing sites and sending to people. If you are caught, that's on you, bro. That's on you. Okay, so let's create it. So I don't want to max it, and you can see I got the Cloudflare link. So I like Cloudflare, right? Using Cloudflare because it won't get you don't get blocked. But if I use ngrok, I usually get blocked, or you can see like a warning. So you get it won't give your social engineering effects, because if you're trying to capture a user's credentials, right now I'm saying this under a red team aspect and red team point of view, not as an bad attacker or anything. Again, so I prefer using Cloudflare. So I'm just going to use enter a test username and password. Actually, this is my username and password, so my accounts are free for you to hack. Right? Okay, so Zoe@zoe.com. I just enter Gmail. You can get, this is my password. Yeah, this is the password I use on all my sites. So yikes, that's on you. Okay, so put in my password, and you can see I'm taken to the Google account page. Now this is the legit one, right? Just like that, we are able to capture we're able to capture the IP address and also the username and password. You guys can you see how easy it is? We're able in under how many minutes? 3 minutes. We're able to get the victim username and password. Now you might say to yourself that you can easily see through this, but boy, you will be surprised the amount of people that fall for this. Now, not because they are dumb or anything actually, but it could just be out of ignorance or even curiosity. Yeah, curiosity. So we have to be security conscious, right? We have to be security conscious, and we need to look out for ourselves and people around us. Right? When it comes to clicking links, I would advise we have a zero trust attitude towards clicking link. Yeah, don't trust any link you see. Always try to verify links before you click on them. Always try to verify links before you click on them, except you're 100% sure you know it, like for example gmail.com, right? Except you're 100% sure that you can trust that link, right? But I want us to have a zero trust attitude towards links, especially the ones we get from our emails, even from friends. Yeah, even from friends, right? Because most sites you might ask you to share this link. Yeah, they might even ask you to share a phishing link, right? So millions of phishing sites are out there, millions, and today we could see how easy it is to create one. But mind you guys, there are more advanced phishing methods out there. Like there are some that can be created using a tool called Evil Gains or Modlishka. Yeah, So these ones, they don't actually clone the site, but they actually proxy the real site. So what this basically means is the attacker will sit between you and the real website and relay the web traffic to the real website. So relay your your own web traffic to the real website. So just like a man in, just call it a man in the middle attack. Yeah, so it's basically just a man in the middle attack. But these ones are advanced phishing method techniques, right? But that's for another video. I'm going to cover that in another video. So guys, zero trust attitude towards links, over links before you click them. Check the domain, so not the logo. So check the domain, not the logo. But that's it guys. Be safe and happy cybersecurity awareness month. Peace out.